I'm currently doing my LLM from Hidayatullah National University in Intellectual Property Rights. I have done my graduation from University of Calcutta, and during my UG days, I have done certain internships, of course, in IPR, and hence that developed my interest in IPR, and hence I'm pursuing my LLM in IPR. Honestly speaking, I was scrolling through the courses that were available in LawSec when I found the course on media and entertainment really interesting, which kind of helped me choose this one. So this one I found this one the most interesting, and also since I'm doing my masters in IPR, I thought media and entertainment is something which goes hand in hand with IPR. So hence this particular course. Honestly speaking, the course is amazing, and the learning curve is really it's really good. So for starters, the LMS portal has all these basic concepts that have been discussed really well, and then we really get to understand the understand the concepts that are there in the LMS portal when we do the assignments. So say for example, we learned about actor employment agreement in the learning portal, and then yesterday we just did an assignment on standalone agreements involving an actor. So how an actor employment agreement can be taken and used as a standard, like for employing an actor for a standalone event. We learned that. So basically the LMS portal, like LMS study material that we have plus the assignment, makes this course really unique, and the learning is really vast and wide. The law school faculty who takes the live sessions, she's really good at explaining the concepts, like if I have any doubts and things like that. Also, since the live sessions are done with all the batchmates, so everyone, they come up with their questions, and that kind of solves a lot of the things as we do the session. And also there's a feedback session, and the feedback session also helps us correct the mistakes that we might have done. Absolutely. In fact, I was just looking for some job, applying for some jobs in the entertainment sector. And I have this plus point in my CV written as well, that I have done this course, and all the things that I've learned from this course. So I'm definitely ready to use whatever I learned in my like upcoming jobs. Answer your question, who should take this job? I would say anyone can take this job, because any law student can take this job, honestly, because this particular course concerns with drafting of contracts as the base, and then knowledge of intellectual property. So even if someone doesn't have much knowledge of intellectual property, still, like say for someone in first year of law school, or where generally contracts are taught, so with basic idea of contract, this course can be easily taken by anyone. Speaking, I think the team is doing really great with the course materials, and the faculty that we have. They are really experienced in their fields, which actually makes the course really interesting. Also, this course is, I think I've also previously done another course from LawSec on criminal laws. So I think the courses, how the courses are different from other online platforms are the assignment part, where we actually get to learn the practical application, which is kind of missing in the other online places. So this is something, and also LawSec, I believe, is bringing new courses in their library. So yeah, I'll say the practical aspect, if taken care of in the upcoming courses, that would be really helpful for students.